All right, he's our science guy. We love him. He's always doing so much fun stuff. And this time, he's taking us to Turkey Run State Park.
Yeah, Rick Crosslin and his students discovered the science behind all of the beautiful canyons and cliffs at the park.
We're at Turkey Run State Park. It's the first park in Indiana, and it's a beautiful place to go. Since it's a park, the things here are protected. Now, this is Sugar Creek, and it's named because of the sugar maple trees along the banks. But I like it because of the limestone and the sandstone. The cliffs here are all made out of sandstone. And you're going to see some really cool examples of erosion, because when the glaciers melted, they cut into these sandstone canyons, and this is the best example of erosion east of the Mississippi from glaciers. It's a cool place to go, and there's a lot of cool science to learn. So we are at the Sandstone Cliff, which Turkey Run's famous for. And what do you think sandstone's made out of? Sand. It's a sedimentary rock. Yesterday we talked about shale, and we've talked about limestone. But here are two pieces of sandstone. And come here, would you? Put your hand on these. Guess what happens when I do some physical weathering? What do you think comes from sandstone? Sand. Yeah, take a look at that. Come in close there and take a look. This is sand when something physically weathers. So eventually, these rocks will be turned back to sand. And in a million years, here, squeeze that. Hold it for a million years. Open it up for a second. Squeeze it really tight. Hold it for a million years, and it'll turn back into sandstone. But you can't hold it that long, can you?
No, we were dead by then.
Okay, thanks. All right, let's go check out something else. So you guys are pretty lucky. You are in a deep canyon carved by glacial melt. This is Rocky Hollow. And look how beautiful the walls are from that chemical erosion and also the water cutting through here. Anybody got wet yet?
No.
Let's go on to the punch bowl. So I'm here at the punch bowl, which is a really cool place made by erosion. But it makes me wonder why this place is called Turkey Run. I think I know. If you take a look and listen, I found some turkeys. Yeah. Turkeys, I think I'm going to take off running from these guys.